set up. I'm going to do the oil change on my 2005 Ducati Monster. It's an S2R 800. Everything I need is right here. Got my drain pan, 13 mil wrench, 6 mil Allen, strap wrench, fresh oil and filter of course. And today we're going to take the screen out as well and give that a wash. So let's get. Alright, first thing I'm going to do obviously is pull the cork. I'll let the bike run for a while so the oil is nice and warm. Let that drain and then we'll pull the filter. It's been a while. The oil's a little dirtier than it should be, probably. Alright, I'm going to pull the filter just with a normal strap wrench. Maybe. And just set that in the pan and let it go. To replace the screen, you're going to have to take the sensor wire off, which is just a spade, unplugs quite easily. You're going to need a 14 mil hex when we do the screen, and I have a 7/8 to take the outer cap off. 22 is probably correct. This is what I have today. Ratchet extension are going to help quite a bit to get in past the case. This I've already broken this loose. It comes off quite easily. There's a gasket on the back, crush washer. A new one is ideal. Don't lose it in your dirty oil. Next we have to put the 14 mil hex inside, and behind is the screen. There you go. You'll get a little extra oil, obviously. That's quite clean, no issues. Tiny few little scraps of metal, nothing to be worried about. Alright, I'm just going to clean that up a little bit. Hit that with a little soft brush, get those metal flakes off. We're going to blow it out. Alright, screen is all cleaned up. We're going to reverse the whole process and get some oil in this thing. Torque it to snug. Follow a procedure. You should look up the torque specs. Install your cap with your sensor and your crush washer. Reinstall your sensor wire, slips over the end, and your boot. Now we'll do the drain plug. Torque drain plug. Click. That's good. Check your old filter for the gasket. Just reached up inside, the rubber was still on there. I didn't look, but there it is. That would have been quite a mess. New filter in. Snip it a half, 3/4 turn, or once it seats. Click. Alright, time to fill it up. Move your fill cap. Get a clean funnel so you don't make a mess. And the capacity is supposed to be 3.3 liters. We'll run it and check. As you can see, I'm using an AMSOIL. It's a 1040 weight. It's the recommended weight for this bike, unless you're in severe climates. Alright, that's 3 quarts in. I'm going to run it and we'll check the levels. Alright, bike's been run, oil's settled down. You can see it's right between the marks. 3 quarts is pretty good.